In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put date and time on Instagram story. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your Instagram on your phone. Let's open our Instagram right here, and once you have done that, proceed to create the story. Click on this Your Story option and choose right here the picture that you wish to use. You can also use particular templates and also use right here some pictures that we have available. On my case, I'll just hover and choose in here this one. Now from in this, click onto this sticker icon that we can see into this part. So just proceed to click on it. And from in there, you can see all of the stickers option. You can proceed to click onto the search and search in here for time. You can input right here the actual date right now. Click onto this particular settings right here. And then choose right here the date or the time for that. So you can also input right here countdown and also input right here the actual time that you want. Once you're done, click on the this send and post it on your story. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.